Stop here. If,
Not done. Just gotta get something. I'm gonna try to break those down.
Give her a little tap there.
Bracket's got to be cut off yet, eh? So, well, how are you going to fasten it? Over here. This side, all you got to do is grab it. This side, so it's not going to be long enough. Oh, I see. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Okay. So how do you... Yeah.
Where was it leaking?
You come see it. Hey everybody, hope you've enjoyed the vid so far. We're signing off here today. We've accomplished a lot with the car today. We, as you can see, we've got the air box back on, the bumper done. We've also found an issue with the rear end. During the crash, we didn't realize this till we took the tire off. As you've seen in the video, we were welding. The shock mount actually broke off. So we're in the middle of fixing that, and then guess what? Ran out of wire. So, and then we got the brackets for the top of the body here. We got it all bent up, and we can't weld it because we don't got wire or anything, but that'll be another project for tomorrow or the next day. But hope you've enjoyed the video. A lot has been done. I gotta thank Zach, Chad, Bill, myself, Chelsea for filming, and my mom. And we had actually a nice little barbecue lunch with some burgers and some salad and stuff like that. So it was a good day, and hope you've enjoyed the video.